First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me for this interview. My name is Kassa Teka from Ethiopia. I have a PhD degree in physical geography from the Catholic University of Leuven in Belgium, and MSc degree in tropical land resource management from Ethiopia, and BSc in land resource management and environmental protection from Ethiopia. I am now affiliated to Maqale University and working as associate professor in teaching and involved in teaching undergraduate and graduate courses, and in research in different issues such as integrated nutrition management, which includes soil fertility management, soil water conservation, land evaluation, and agroforestry. I am now here in Sweden at the University of Gothenburg, Chalmers University of Technology, as a guest researcher in collaboration with Agroforestry 2030 Multifunctional Landscape for Food Security Team 2. Using this opportunity, I think I want to have a voice to the UN. Nowadays, because of hunger, because of poverty, people are migrating from different countries, especially developing countries, to developed countries. But we can see the case in Libya. They are serving as slaves. They are sold as slaves. So the UN has to act on this. The world has to act on this issue. So, if we say we are equal, then why is this happening? So, setting 17 goals is not enough. We have to act on this goals. So that is my voice.
That's a great message.
Thank you. Okay, this is important for two reasons. One is because I am, with regard to my field of specialization, I am related to this issue, solving the problem of the society, helping the society to come out of zero hunger. And the other is the existing situation in my country, and the government policy in my country is more focusing on this issue. As we know, there are many people suffering from hunger in developed countries, including my country, where people are suffering due to shortage of food, due to shortage of shelter, due to shortage of clothing. Especially, we need to eat food, we need to have access to food in order to act on the other goals. So food is a major, or it's a very important aspect in these issues, and many people in my country are suffering from food shortage. So the government is planning in line to the SDG goal to help the society in the 2025. Then the aim is to double agricultural production, to increase food access, not only on food security, but also on access to nutrition security. So we have the issue of food security as well as nutrition security. So our activity, my research, my trainings, my teachings are involved on these aspects, and the government is also doing on this issue. The government is working hard, and that's why I take this goal as important goal for myself as well as to the society. That's why I'm dealing with this aspect. Had I got a chance of having fika, I would have invited my hero, honorary doctor Father Angel Olaran, who is by birth Spanish, and he's now a priest in Ethiopia in the Catholic Church, and he's working as a project manager for St. Mary's Institute, and he's in for the last 50 years. He was working in developing countries, about 25 years in Tanzania, and about 25 years in Ethiopia. Almost he is involved in all what we so-called the now SDGs. So he is involved in different aspects. So I call him as the hero of sustainable development. So had I got the chance to sit and have a fika with him, I could have discussed a lot of information with him to share his experiences and to learn a lot. He was involved in teaching, in improving educational system, improving natural resources. He was also involved in health care for mothers, children's, and he was also organizing youngsters to have an employment. So I am the product of the fruit of his efforts. That's why I call him a hero. In my view, if I take the issue in developing countries, my country, for example, the issue of entrepreneurship is undermined. So I would have included entrepreneurship. Nowadays, you can see a lot of people migrating from developing countries to developed countries, and most of them are, at least they have completed high school, and some of them have completed universities, because there is no access to employment. Our curriculum is based on government employment, not self-employment. So I suggest to have this course from the bottom, from elementary school. So if it is fitted with the curriculum in elementary schools, so students can have information on what they will do, especially in relation to natural resource, in relation to agriculture, for security, so they can link their education with the natural resources, with agriculture.